more tonight about a former Wisconsin educator charged in federal court for a child sex crime.
Officials say 39-year-old David Hay allegedly tried to meet with a 14-year-old boy to have sex. He was actually talking with an undercover officer, though. Today, NBC 26's Matt Jarko spoke with the suspect's attorney.
David Hay made a brief appearance in federal court Friday, the same day a criminal complaint was released with new information about what led to his arrest. The criminal complaint said in July, an undercover Neenah police officer posing as a 14-year-old boy got a message from Hay. They later exchanged telephone numbers and eventually planned a meeting in August. The complaint said Hay backed out and said they tried to meet again in December at a Neenah hotel. But on December 28, Hay allegedly sent a message that said, "I won't be able to make it work tonight." He was arrested shortly after for attempting to entice a minor to engage in sexual activity.
The complaint itself doesn't suggest that my client ever actually tried to meet anyone.
Hay's attorney said he needs to see evidence beyond the complaint.
So there are still just at this point a number of questions about the allegations,
including what would then become a second charge, possession of child pornography. The complaint said a search of Hay's phone found 9 sexually explicit images of what appears to be an underage Wisconsin boy. According to the complaint, investigators tracked down the boy, who told police the pictures were taken when he was underage, but he said he didn't have inappropriate contact with Hay when he was a minor.
Within the criminal complaint, there are a number of questions, I think. From my perspective, and it is my perspective, I think there's been a bit of a rush to judgment.
Hay is scheduled to appear again in court later this month. In Brown County, Matt Jarko, NBC 26.
And at the court appearance today, a judge released Hay to live with his parents on home detention here in Northeast Wisconsin. Now, if convicted, Hay faces 10 years to life in prison.